Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel. I'm really excited to be working on my next design team project for Kerryanne, who is a Shabby Art Boutique here on YouTube. She also has an Instagram and her own website. I'll link everything down below for you. This is a gorgeous kit. I think I've said that every single time I share with you Kerryanne's digital kit collection, but every single time I'm doing my next design team project, her designs are just gorgeous and so yummy to work with. But this one definitely is a gorgeous digital collection. It's very shabby. It has beautiful soft colors with some pops of yellow. I am doing a Shabby Sunday sort of series or episode on Sundays, and I will be uploading some of my Shabby projects, and I will be sharing with you a couple of my projects on the Shabby Sunday series, with what I'm going to make with this gorgeous kit. So it is the Spring Snippets collection. It's available now in Kerryanne's Etsy store, and I'll link her Shabby Art Boutique store down below. So it's available now for you to have an instant download, and you can look at all of the papers in that collection. I did print mine out. I didn't print all the complete collection, but I wanted to show you just some of the prints that's in the kit. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I printed mine on A4 paper, but it is also available for you to purchase as a letter size paper as well, if you have a letter size paper. And she also was so kind to also provide a free printable for you, and that's available now at Shabby Art Boutique's online website. If you look for the free printables, you'll be able to see the free printable, which is this sheet full of gorgeous fussy cut images for you to fussy cut, and it's for free, so you could use these in your projects. Just gorgeous. Look at the gorgeous shoe, the cute little mice, just so adorable. So there's just some other fun elements here for you to you can use this and coordinate these into your collection or in your other projects. But I'm going to make a project just using this whole sheet, and I will hopefully share that with you in one of my next videos. But this is the collection if you'd like to purchase. So these are the background papers. I didn't print them all, and I think there are 10 in total for you in the background papers or decorative full page papers. So look at all the beautiful details on here, and it's sort of like a collaged background paper with a beautiful lady, some nice florals, and just very springy. And then there is this one as well with the gorgeous mice and the bee. And I love the yellow, how it just pops out. And there's another mice up here. It's so cute. So this is a very gorgeous full page paper. This is the next one. This one's got a cute bunny. Some roses. Beautiful soft pinks. Just very pretty. Just beautiful. And then you've got this one as well, so you could even have it this way or this way. So these are great for your journals, for collaging, or any any projects you want to use these for. And then you've got some double like 2 background images to a page where you can use these for like your journal, and you just sort of cut around the white background, and then you can fold this over to create, or you can go this way to create your journal booklet. And I think this could be the 5x7 size, because I know she also has a 5x7 size file images for you if you're doing the, oh no, this one's a little bit shorter. This one is, or on my one, it's 4.5 inches by just over 6 inches. But I think she has, which I haven't checked, but I think there is a file for 5x7 size journals for your images as well. But these ones are just for, these ones are for the A4 size paper. So that's the other one. Very shabby, very pretty. It's another double page background with some gingham. This is like a light minty color green and a more shabby pastel-y kind of pink in a gingham checkered sort of pattern. And there is like some background, like ledger paper kind of background paper in the back. So there are those ones. And then these ones here are the fussy cut images. And there are 2 pockets here. These are the larger size pockets. You just cut around it and then you just fold the sides over to create your pocket inserts. So there are 2 of these, and you can print these as many times as you like. And there's some file tabs, some ribbon labels, and we've got some more here. Beautiful ladies. So quite a few here for you to work with. Butterflies, some gorgeous sprays of florals. And she's very pretty too. She's very talented, Kerryanne. I just love the way she creates and designs her images. It's just beautiful the way she coordinates the colors. These are some tags. You get 8 of these tags to a sheet and just fussy cut these out. So you get a few of those. Great to add into your journals or your packaging for Happy Mail. So these are really pretty as well. I like this one. I love this one. I love this one. And I could be wrong. I think there were 2 of these or just this one sheet. I can't remember. I do know that this is the larger size. I know that there are 2 of these pages for you, so there are 8 larger size tags in total. There might only be 1 of these sheets, so you might just have to have a look when you go and have a look in her Etsy store. But I know that there are 8 of these larger tags. The other sheet I didn't print out, but there are 4 different prints on the other tags, but this is one of them. So these are just the larger size to the smaller size here that I just showed you. I love the scalloped shaped tags. So there, those ones. And then we have some of the smaller pockets, which were the larger, smaller size to these pockets here. So you can see they're the 2 different sizes. So you can make your mini journals and place these in your mini journal pages, or you've got the larger size. And the same way, you just fussy cut them around, and these are the smaller tabs for your smaller mini journals for your pages. Some more the ribbon label or fishtail label shapes, and then you've got some circle shaped images, bluebirds, butterflies. Absolutely pretty. And these ones are the larger size to the smaller size. You can see slightly larger. So if you want to use these for your larger projects, got the cute little mice. It says "Be Happy," bloom with the cute little bunny. Bunny is just so sweet looking. So is the mice. So there's some more fussy cut images. There are also, I think there are 2 of these sheets of the 3x4 size. I think they're 3x4. Well, on my A4 size, they're 3x4. Yeah, they are 3x4 size, or just a little bit over 4 inches. About 4.25 inches. So these are great for journaling cards, or you could use these and create tags. So there is another sheet with a set of 4 with different images, but this is one that I printed out because I'm going to use these on my project, because I love the yellow on the prints here. I love the brightness of these yellows. They just pop out really nicely. We also have these, like, what do you call these? These are like strips that would be great for collaging or layering. You can add these to the edge of your journals, create these for bookmarks. You can print these out, then laminate them, so then you'll have a bookmark. So there's a lot of ways you could use these images that's on the strips. And then you've got this one, looks like a snippet print. One of bees. And there is also one of these beautiful stripped patterns, and Kerryanne has noted here these well, you can use these for this sort of way too, or just print these on normal paper if you don't have a sticker sheet. This is a sticker sheet, and Kerryanne has made a note saying these could washi tape strips, and you can print on sticker or label paper. So this is a label, or this is a sticker A4 sheet, so I just printed the images onto that, and then I'll just cut these out, and then it's like a sticker. I just peel it off, and then it'll look like a washi strip. So that's a clever idea to do that, and then you don't have to glue them down because it's already got the adhesive. So beautiful and shabby. So I just wanted to share with you my latest kit for Kerryanne's design team. I'm also going to link down below Kerryanne's other design team members. So head over to their channel and you can have a look at some of their gorgeous creations for inspiration as well. And also if you would like to join Kerryanne's Facebook group for Shabby Art Boutique and be part of the Facebook group to share all of your fun projects using all of Kerryanne's kits and get some inspiration. She also has a craft room members only members club where you're able to have exclusive extra digitals and other fun stuff and updates that is not part of the Facebook group, and I'll link that down below for you as well, so you'll be able to check out all of the Kerryanne's platforms and be informed with all of what's available for you. But this kit is gorgeous. I can't wait to create something for you, and I will be back to share with you some of my projects, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.